While it is technically possible to eat cockroaches, it is not recommended due to the potential health risks associated with consuming them. While some cultures have historically used insects, including cockroaches, as a food source, it is not a common practice in most parts of the world. As for whether it could be beneficial, cockroaches are not a particularly nutritious food source. They are low in protein and high in fat, and may contain harmful bacteria, parasites, or toxins if they have been exposed to certain chemicals or environments. In addition, eating cockroaches can trigger allergic reactions in some individuals, and could potentially spread diseases such as E. coli or Salmonella. While it is important to approach food with an open mind and be willing to try new things, it is also important to prioritize safety and nutrition. There are many other food sources that are both safe and nutritious, and it is generally not necessary to resort to eating insects like cockroaches. Eating a cockroach is not recommended as it can pose several health risks. Cockroaches are scavengers and can carry harmful bacteria, parasites, and viruses that could cause illness if ingested. In summary, while it is technically possible to eat a cockroach, it is not safe or recommended due to the potential health risks associated with doing so. It is best to stick to safe and nutritious food sources for your meals.